choosing the right baby food maker can make meantime easier and healthier. Today, we're comparing Bayer's two most popular models, the One-Step SJJ-R03B5 and the Two-Layer SJJ-M03P1. Both machines steam, blend, warm milk, and self-clean, but they are designed for different parenting styles. The One-Step baby food maker is fully automatic. Simply add ingredients, press one button, and it steams and blends in the same bowl, all in one step. With its 400 ml BPA-free Triton jar and detachable 4-blade design, it delivers smooth purées in minutes, perfect for early-stage feeding. The two-layer baby food maker separates the steaming and blending into 2 steps. You can pour off extra condensation before blending, creating thicker, more natural textures. Its dual 18.5 ounces steaming baskets allow you to cook 2 foods at once, like vegetables and chicken, while keeping flavors separate. And with a fixed S-shaped dual-blade system, it's ideal for custom textures as your baby grows. Both models feature a built-in milk warmer, ensuring every bottle is at the perfect temperature. The two-layer model goes a step further with steam sterilization for bottles, nipples, and fitting accessories. One device, multiple functions. It simplifies your daily routine. The One-Step model creates smooth, creamy purées, perfect for early feeding. The two-layer model delivers thicker, chunkier textures, ideal for older babies and toddlers. Both models feature safety locks, low water reminders, and an auto-clean mode. Just add water and press clean. In short, the One-Step SJJ-R03B5 is all about speed and simplicity. The Two-Layer SJJ-M03P1 gives you control, thicker textures, and bottle sterilization. Whichever you choose, Bayer brings smart design to every stage of your baby's growth. Discover more at CyberHome.App.